I flow rugged, voice one son of a bitch who loves tits and chicks. When they suck in his dick, he can't stink. Shit, this kid is a wanker, but I spanked a mother last night. Damn right, I didn't thank her. I get it gritty now, seeing the bitches get their titties out. I'll show these cities and towns what I'm really about. Heavy lines like a cocaine snowstorm, straight to the business every time, like homemade porn. Watch folks change form into an overgrown ape with no name or any reason to live. A hideous creature with fists that just cease and assist. There's no competing with this. I look deep in the abyss where only creeps can exist. I ain't doing it for the love of the motherfucker. How can I love hip-hop when all these punk MCs are suckers? All they do is get loose with their friends and wear suits and pretend that it's news. So someone says it confuses, so what sex do they choose? Back on the hustle, sacking on muscle, off the hook and been throwing phones and acting like Russell. Having some trouble cause the number of rappers are doubled and a ton of that struggle understanding the puzzle, but fuck it. Axe on a duffel bag in the back, gonna smuggle contraband and fly back home with the cash, and buy a home with the cash. I'm a fucking MC, bitch, I don't know how to rap. I smoke cones and get racked, woes all the dope in the bag. I'm like Homer and crack, it doesn't get much doper than that. It doesn't get much doper than that.